Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to discuss about relative reference. Relative reference means that a cell reference changes when you copy or move a formula to another cell. In Excel, relative references are the default. They do not have the dollar signs like the absolute reference. They don't have the dollar sign before the column, letter or row number. Now let's see how the relative references work when calculating the discounted price for each item. But first, let's fill in our data. Our goal here is to calculate for the discounted price. So we are going to fill in items, price, and discounted, or let's say discount rate. Remember, our goal in this video is to calculate the discount rate for each items. So let's fill in random details. The items, let's say item 1, item 2, item 3, let's put in a price, just use any number. Now for the discount rate, let's give it, let's say 20%. Let's give it 20%. Now we are going to use this empty cell to put in our formula to calculate the discount rate. So let's put in our formula to calculate the discount rate. Let's put in equal to B2 minus bracket open B2 multiply by C2 multiply by C2. No, sorry, B2, B2 multiply by C2. B2 multiply by C2. Bracket close. And let it enter. We got 16. The B2 here refers to the price of the first item. The price of the first item. Why the C1? Sorry, the C2 refers to the discount rate. Since there are no dollar signs, both B2 and C1 are relative references. We didn't use dollar sign here, so both are relative references. Let's drag this down. In each copied formula, both the price reference and the discount rate reference change relative to their position. This causes an issue because the discount rate is only in cell C2. Because if we are to, let's say we change 20% to 50% and click enter. Guys, if you notice, the only thing changing here is D2, and that's because we are using relative reference. We are using relative reference, and the discount rate is only on this cell C2. That's the reason why even if we change 50% to 80% and we hit enter, only D2 is going to change. The rest of the cell won't change because it's relative positions. So how do we fix this? We fix this using an absolute reference. I will leave a link to check out my video on absolute reference. So guys, this is it. This is all about relative reference. If you find this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome Excel tips and tricks. Thank you.